knowing how to challenge yourself, being confident in who you are, and having the humility to recognize the time and effort that it takes to create something worthwhile. I think that these skills are what you embody, and which you take as a foundation and as a shell, as a philosophy, so that you can succeed and thrive in whatever environment you find yourselves in. And with that, I wish you 13 a lot of luck.
So today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I challenge you to go out into the world and be the best you that you could possibly be. But whatever it is that you do it to the best of your ability. And remember, success is never final and failure is never fatal.